Hey guys and gals, this is Shawn with Epic Construction. We're continuing our series about the different types of insurance adjusters. While I say that today, number 4 is not quite an insurance adjuster, but they're going to come out and inspect your home for damage. These are what we call ladder assist. They're independent contractors that the insurance companies hire to come out and inspect your home. They can't make damage calls, so at the end of the meeting, they won't be able to say, hey, your property, your roof, your gutters, they've been covered, they've been totaled. They're just going to be able to say, hey, I took my photos, I did my inspection, I'm going to send it off to your adjuster that's a desk adjuster back at corporate, and they're going to make the final decision. These people are also phenomenal to work with. Their job is to simply come out, they get a flat rate, they do their inspection, they document the damage, and they send it off. They're extremely easy to work with, and again, they're very knowledgeable. This is all they do is assess damage day in and day out. They don't worry about your policy. They're not there to mess with anything else other than, is this damage? If so, I'm going to document it and send it on to your insurance company. And that's the 4 types of adjusters that we have for you guys. Thanks.